Everyone, Mobile Munch here. Today we're getting our hands on the Samsung Galaxy A54, a phone that sits right in the sweet spot of the mid-range market, boasting a stunning display, a powerful processor, and a versatile camera system. The Galaxy A54 promises a whole lot of phone for your money. But does it deliver? Let's dive in and find out. First impressions, premium design, budget-friendly price. The Galaxy A54 feels anything but mid-range. This phone is crafted with a glass front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for added peace of mind. It's sleek, stylish, and surprisingly comfortable to hold in one hand, despite the generous 6.4-inch display. And speaking of the display, it's a beauty. A super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support delivers vibrant colors, smooth scrolling, and an immersive viewing experience. This phone is available in 4 stunning colors: lime, graphite, violet, and white, so you can choose the one that matches your personality. Powering your everyday life. Under the hood, the Galaxy A54 is equipped with the Exynos 1380 processor, built on a 5nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 4GB to 8GB of RAM, depending on the configuration you choose, this phone can handle most everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, checking social media, or streaming your favorite shows, the A54 should keep up without breaking a sweat. Storage options come in either 128GB or 256GB, so you can store all your apps, photos, videos, and games. Capture memories with the versatile camera system. The Galaxy A54 boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main star is the 50-megapixel wide sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, for capturing sharp and clear photos and videos even in low-light conditions. It's accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor for getting up close and personal with tiny details. On the front, you'll find a 32-megapixel selfie camera for capturing stunning selfies and flawless video calls. Built to last, water-resistant, and long-lasting battery. The Galaxy A54 isn't just about looks and performance. It's also built to last. This phone boasts an IP67 dust water resistance rating, meaning it can withstand accidental splashes and submersion in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Plus, the massive 5,000 mAh battery should easily last you a full day or even longer on a single charge with moderate usage. And when you do need to top up, the 25-watt fast charging will get you back up and running in no time. The mid-range champion, the Samsung Galaxy A54, is a strong contender for the title of mid-range champion. It offers a stunning display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, a water-resistant design, and a long-lasting battery, all at a very competitive price point. If you're looking for a phone that delivers excellent value for money without sacrificing performance or features, the Galaxy A54 is definitely worth considering. So that's it for our look at the Samsung Galaxy A54. If you're searching for a phone that offers a great balance between features, performance, and price, the Galaxy A54 is a great option. Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a mid-range smartphone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.